Did you know that drinking water can actually boost your metabolism by up to 30%? Yes, that's right. When you drink water, your body has to work harder to maintain its temperature, which burns calories and increases your metabolism. Have you ever heard of the term sitting disease? It's a term used to describe the negative health effects of sitting for long periods of time. In fact, studies have shown that sitting for more than 8 hours a day can increase your risk of developing heart disease and even shorten your lifespan. We all know that exercise is important, but did you know that it can actually make you happier too? When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are hormones that make you feel good and reduce stress. Have you ever heard of the saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out that there might be some truth to that. Apples are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients that can help lower your risk of developing chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Did you know that laughter is actually good for your health? When you laugh, your body releases hormones that can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and even boost your immune system. So, don't be afraid to let loose and have a good laugh every once in a while. If you're looking to boost your brain power, then you might want to consider eating some blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that have been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. We all know that sleep is important, but did you know that it can also affect your weight? Studies have shown that people who get enough sleep tend to have a lower body mass index (BMI) than those who don't. So, if you're looking to lose weight, make sure you're getting enough sleep each night. Have you ever heard of the term superfood? It's a term used to describe foods that are particularly nutrient-dense and beneficial for your health. Some examples of superfoods include kale, salmon, quinoa, and chia seeds. Did you know that walking can actually improve your mood? When you walk, your body releases endorphins, which are hormones that make you feel good and reduce stress. So, if you're feeling down or stressed, take a walk outside and enjoy the fresh air. Finally, did you know that meditation can actually change your brain? Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase the size of certain areas of your brain, including the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory and learning.